Hi children, we meet again today. I hope you have understood and liked the last lessons that we did. The very last lesson that we did was ascending order and descending order. Before that we did so many lessons on fraction, that is what mass rule we did. I hope you have understood all that, and you must do sums on that each and every section, as many sums as possible, then only you will be able to remember. Otherwise you might forget everything. Now in your textbook there are enough sums, you can do those sums and you can take it to school, when the school starts. Otherwise you can show someone at home or among friends, you can discuss and mark it right or wrong. Today children, we are going to continue a little more on fractions, and today I am going to do problems on fractions. Problems. There are several types of problems that they give. So first, I'll take an example. First one, find three-fifths of 1 hour in minutes. Now you have to find 3/5 of 1 hour in minutes. Now children, you must know a lot of tables you have to learn. Now this is the time hour, the minutes hour table. That is 60 seconds 1 minute, 60 minutes 1 hour, 24 hours 1 day, 365 days 1 year, 366 days 1 leap year. Like that if you can't remember, you can write down and memorize. You have to memorize this. Then we have this metric system. You have the kilograms, the length formula, length table, that is 10 millimeters 1 centimeter, 100 centimeters 1 meter, 1000 meters 1 kilometer, like that. So this is called the metric system. Metric system is very easy because you get all 10, 100 and 1000. And kilo means you get 1000. For example, kilometer, that is 1000 meters 1 kilometer. Same way, kilogram means you get 1000. How? Kilogram, 1000 grams 1 kilogram, 1000 grams 1 kilogram, 1000 meters 1 kilometer. So kilo means you get 1000. So here we have hour and minutes. Now we know that 60 minutes 60 seconds 1 minute, 60 minutes 1 hour, 24 hours 1 day. So here we know that 60 minutes is 1 hour. So you have to give the answer in minutes. So what we should do is we have to convert this hour into minutes, 1 hour. So we write down of, we know that Bodmer's rule of means into. So we write down 3 upon 5 into 60. Why 60? Because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Now what we do is we cancel and we say 12 here. That is equal to 12 times 3, 36 minutes. So this is the answer for this question. Find 3/5 of 1 hour in minutes. Convert the hour to minutes, 60. So of is into. So 3 upon 5 into 60. So cancel and get the answer. We will take another example. Example 2. Find 7 upon 10 of 3 kilometers in meters. Find 7/10 of 3 kilometers in meters. So here also tables are involved. Meters. I told you kilometer means 1000 meters 1 kilometer. Meter. 1000 meters 1 kilometer. So 3 kilometers means 3000 meters. So you have to convert this 3 kilometers to meters. That is equal to 3000 meters. So and of means into. So next step will be 7 upon 10 into 3000. And as I told you before, children, when you have 0, we say 20 upon 10 into 500 upon 200. You can cancel the top 0 and bottom 0. Here, 0, 0, 0, 0. So here the answer is 4 upon 2. So again 2 and 2 cancel. That is equal to 5. Answer is 5. So like that here also you get the zeros. So you have to just cut the zeros. 1 0, 1 0. It must be 1 0 on top and 1 0 on bottom. We can't cut sideways. So the answer here is 300 into 7. That is equal to 21. 2100 meters. So 7 upon 10 of 3 kilometers in meters. The answer is 7 upon 10 into 3000. That is equal to 2100 meters. So children, all the sums are of this type is like you have to work it like this. Of means into. And whatever you get here, you have to convert to whatever that is an hour means, our minutes and hour means, you have to convert to minutes. If it is a kilometer or meter, you have to convert to meters. Now if it is kilograms and grams, you have to convert to grams. Okay. So this is the type of sum you have to get for this. We will take another example, a different type. Now if it is suppose it is 5/8 of 2 kilograms in grams, so 2 kilograms you have to bring it to grams, so 1000 grams on kilogram. So 5 upon 8 into 2000. So you can cancel 8 times 2 16. 45 not. So not. So 250 into, so can write here and multiply. 8 into 5. Not by 2 over 1000, that's equal to 1250 grams. Here you must know the table. So 1000, so 2 kilograms to 2000. So 5, right. Okay. So that's all the types, all the sums will be of that type. Now we will take a different one. If 2/7 of a number is 180, find the number. If 2/7 of a number is 180, find the number. So this type of sum is very, very important because in fraction you get the same type of sum. Now if you are working in your mind, you can get the answer in your mind if you know your table very well. Now 2 upon 7, that is 2 parts is 180. So 1 part is 90. So 1 part is 90, then 7 parts will be the full part, so 7 9 630. So these are, we write the statement for this. First line will be 2 upon 7 of number equals 180. Therefore, full number equals the 7 upon 2, you get the reciprocal. You put 2 upon 7, you put it as 7 upon 2. You get the reciprocal into 180. Now you must memorize this method. Now if 2/7 of a number is 180, find the number. So we write down 2/7 of the number is 180. The full number is 7 upon 2 and 180. So now cancel the 180 and 2. That is 90. That is equal to 630. So the answer is 600. So the full number is 630. You must memorize this method, children, because everywhere in fraction problems, very often we get this type of sum. We will be doing sum on this, and you should be able to, and you can write this in your formula book as an example and write it down. So I'll go this again. 2 sevens our number is 180, find the number. So first statement is 2 sevens is equal to 180. The full number is 7 upon 2 into 180. So cancel 2 and 180. So 90 into 7 is around 60. We'll take one more example. If 3/11 of a 3 upon 11, if of a basket of mangoes is damaged, which is equal to 42, find the full amount of mangoes in the basket. Look, if 3/11 of a basket of mangoes is damaged, which is equal to 42, that is a damaged mangoes is 42. Find the full amount of mangoes in the basket. So here also we write the same statement. How the first statement will be, therefore 3 upon 11 of mangoes is equal to 42. Therefore full amount equals 11 upon 3 into 42. So we can cancel 42 and 3. 1, 4. 11 into 44. 11 into 44 is 11 for 44, 4 over 11 for 15, 154. So the amount of mangoes in the basket is 154 mangoes. So these are the type of sums that you get, children. Mostly these are only part of a sum. That very often you get this type of sum in fractions, and I hope you write it down nicely and memorize, and write down lot of examples like this, so that you will get lot of practice. Don't be lazy to write examples on your own. Concentrate and do on your own. Write down on your own fraction equal to number and find the full amount, and then memorize the methods. Okay, children, these are for today, and we'll be meeting in the next class. If you liked it, please subscribe. Thank you.